How to change the zip code of Doordash app. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your zip code of Doordash app. So the very first step that you need to do is go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, search for Doordash, and if you see any application, do install it right there. After installing it, remember that when you install and log in, your Doordash app will already set up your zip code, because if you add and enable the address location, if not then it will not do it, because every location have its own zip code. But if you want to change it, then you can simply do it by following the following steps. So first of all, you need to head into the home page right here. After you head into the home page, on the top right side you will see there is the option of address. Just tap on there, and after you tap here, which is here, the location signal is also given in the top left side right there. After you tap on this option and you just tap on this, you will see the option that it's saved on your device. After you tap on the save device and want to change your device now, and you can simply go on change your address, and after changing it you just need to tap on the save address and then you are done. Your location is also changed and so is your zip code. So this is how you can do it. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.